Now, in my opinion, this is probably the best finish that I've ever seen, or for that matter, anyone has ever seen in a major event in the final match.
You want to make sure you go into the 9 here. Just draw it straight back just a little bit. Just a little bit, I said. What? He didn't have to do that. You see what I'm talking about?
That's right. Now,
why did he do that?
Because he wanted to make it even more thrilling.
No, but if he just pinched that ball a little bit, it would have stopped right there. Just the 9 would have came over the same way, and he would have been right there.
Well, he figured the 9 was going to go into the 6, and he was going to move the 6.
Well, he might have figured that, yeah. He must have figured that, otherwise why would he shoot it like that?
Sure, see, now he even pointed like he was supposed to move the 6. With his finger, he could have moved it, but the 9, he didn't.
Well, he can see pretty much of a full ball at his 5 ball, so he's going to set it up table, and this whole game depends if he can get it behind the 6 ball.
And there's a possibility he may even be able to bank this 5 up table. You know?
Maybe,
that shot's available,
maybe.
And then he can use the 6 as an interfering ball. If he pockets the bank, he'll have the 6 to shoot. Well, no, he didn't. Watch the 8. Watch the 8.
Oh my goodness.
Strickland said,
oh my
have that ball.
Oh boy.
Now, the position Strickland should have been in, Reyes is in that position.
He's in a worse position, Bill. He can't even go to the left-hand cushion because there's no access to the 5 on this side.
The 7 is the interfering ball.
Yeah,
he goes to the left. He precludes him from kicking in that fashion. He can't go to the right because there's no cushion there.
He's in big trouble. He's in big trouble here.
The short cushion is the only cushion he can go to.
Oh, what a bad roll, huh?
Horrible roll. Horrible roll. Horrible.
He might be able to go back and forth here. That's what he's looking at. I don't like that because you're going to leave a shot.
Yeah, you're not going to get movement from the 5 ball if you're able to contact it. And it looks like the short cushion is the only cushion he can go to. Behind the 6.
You know, he kicks balls. You know, he could nip the 5. In other words, going to the left-hand cushion, just missing the 7 ball, nipping the 5, and coming 3 cushions back down table. I think
he's going twice.
I don't like this shot because you don't get no movement, like you said, and you might miss this ball.
Put the camera on it.
Yeah, Earl's even clapping on that shot.
Earl Strickland.
I don't believe it. Sport fans, you have seen everything.
What a shot. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, boy. That cheapers. Well, that's why they call him a magician. There you have it. But he's not out yet, though. I've seen funny things happen.
And he's falling a little short of the mark. Now he has to go 2 cushions.
Gee.
Or draw with 1 cushion. I don't know. He's got a funny angle.
He's got to force it and make sure he doesn't force it into the corner pocket.
He's got a funny angle. Oh, the suspense is still there.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, this is the rack that we wanted to see. We got everything we wanted. And more.
He's drawing 1 cushion.
And more.
Right selection here. I think this is perfect.
That's it. He's home. He's home. What a finish.
What a final,
What a finish.
Couldn't get no better, man. No wonder you asked me to do this.
What a finish. And I really have to commend Earl for his sportsmanship there. I mean, he really was happy for Reyes in the regard that he made a terrific shot to steal the match away from him.